Hi friends, I am Chef Mangal. Namaskar. It's Asian breakfast. Tomato and egg stir fried. It's so delicious, easy to cook and cheap also. You will not see this type of breakfast regularly. But if you make this, you will say, wow. I don't waste your time, but I have one request for you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I am trying my best to get you the best dish around the world every Saturday. So let's start. Yeah, first of all we'll remove the eye from the tomato and give a other side cross. And in boiling water, only 10 seconds, we have to blanch it, cook it and put immediately in a cold chilled water. That's why it's called a blanching, proper blanching. You can take easily the skin out and then cut the wedges of all your 2 tomatoes and keep it aside because we will cook later. Then take 3 eggs, mix it well. We'll make a scrambled egg. 1 tablespoon oil, very light scrambled egg. So then your egg, and you see the temperature medium. Don't make it so hot. So when you make a scrambled egg, you will see soft. Keep it soft side. Then in wok, again 1 tablespoon oil and your blanched tomato. Cook for a half a minute and cover it with the lid to cook it a little bit more. See how it looks. It's not breaking also. When you make it, you see the wedges of tomato. Then add your scrambled egg. Mix it well, slowly. You shouldn't mash. In a bite, you should get the tomato and egg also. Is soya sauce, 1 tablespoon, white pepper. Then put the green onion. How beautiful it looks. Now season with salt as a taste you want. And this is ready now. Ready to serve hot. It's easy, fastest recipe online. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like and you will make sure that you will subscribe me. Write down any comments. I'm always there. See you next Saturday. Thank you.